Hi guys, just going to show you a little tip today. If you're ever suffering from systems that basically are having connection issues or just taking a little bit slow to connect, there could be a number of reasons behind this. One could be that you've updated the OS on your phone and it's working with the old settings. Another reason being is that the CarPlay mailbox may be new, and we always say it needs time to bed into the car's ECU, and when you first install them, it's working overtime with all of the connections you're doing and also how it's linking into the car's CAN bus. So obviously we always say use the box for a day on a new install and do a reset on it and then do a new connection, and then obviously it shouldn't have any problems. But I'll just show you how to basically to resolve this and how to do a new connection on your phone. It's just basically, if you're using CarPlay for example, you go into there and obviously you'd have a list down here. So obviously you just do a Bluetooth reset, and also if you want to do a hard reset you could do that one too. So obviously we always do recommend that every once in a while doing that, because the more you update the security on your phone, that obviously the systems will link with the old patches on the firmware before OS have been updated. So obviously just every couple of months just do a BT reset, and obviously that'll just optimize your functionality of the system. Okay, hope this helps. Take care, bye bye.